Are you tired of being just another AI tool user? It's time to take charge and become the CEO of your own AI startup. Discover Gemini AI Agent, the revolutionary software designed for aspiring entrepreneurs like you. Imagine a world without monthly subscription costs and manual labor. With Gemini AI Agent, you'll receive a private Google-grade Ghost server ready to deploy in seconds. You'll access the Google AI Ultra suite, including powerful tools like Gemini 3.1 Pro and DeepThink. One low, one-time payment unlocks every model's highest configuration. This cloud-based software allows you to run your AI empire without hardware costs. Enjoy total data privacy with Google-grade encryption for your prompts and data. What's more, this software is backed by a $5 trillion public company. It seamlessly hooks into major platforms like Launchpad and ClickBank, allowing you to sell AI services for 100% profit. Plus, it's compatible with any device, no installations required. Equipped with an autonomous engine, Gemini AI Agent can reply to emails, manage social media, and even purchase concert tickets. It remembers your preferences and goals, ensuring a personalized experience. Begin building high-quality affiliate websites, sales funnels, and marketing materials. With Gemini AI Agent's capabilities, create graphics, videos, music, and even books, all designed to generate passive income. This software isn't just an investment in tech. It's your pathway to financial freedom. With built-in training and 24/7 support, there's no need for any prior experience. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone. Try it for 30 days risk-free. If it doesn't meet your expectations, your money will be returned. No questions asked. Act now to avoid missing this incredible offer. The price will revert to a monthly fee soon. Join countless others who've transformed their lives using Gemini AI Agent. Don't let the opportunity slip away. Get started with this groundbreaking software today and watch your success unfold.